I'm Alex Parks, and I'm a guide with Calm Waters Fly Fishing. This is Casting Basics 101. So I want to talk about today the 3 fundamentals of casting. If you're struggling a little bit with really casting that line out far, really understanding how to present the fly in a really appropriate way so these fish are going to munch it. So, first fundamental that I really want you to focus on here, you want to keep your fly or your rod tip at a 10-2 frame. So just like driving, you hold it from 10 to 2, keep your rod tip in that plane of motion so it's stopping and starting and stopping and starting, so it has enough momentum and energy in order to get where it wants to go. If you're flopping like this, the fly will drop and it will follow the rod tip. So now we're focusing on the second fundamental of your basic fly casting lesson, which is momentum. Number 1 thing to remember, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're in 10 to 2 plane and you call 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every single time, if you count your 1, 2, 3s, your rhythm will be perfect. Your fly will go wherever the rod tip points and you have the right momentum. Just remember, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Probably one of the most important lessons of this entire conversation is your energy level. You must have energy if you're working with fly fishing and a fly rod. If you don't have energy, your fly is going to follow the rod tip and it's also not going to go anywhere. If you pick up the energy, boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If your energy is there, the fly is going to go where you're telling it to go. So if you need to tell it off, get out there. Get out there. It will end up going exactly where you need it to go. If you lose the energy, you lose your cast. And that's the 3 fundamentals of fly casting.
Fish. Yeah.
Fish.
That's a good sized fish too.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Just let him play. It's probably not a bad size in there. I mean, he's using the current.
It feels heavy.
Yeah, feels got a nice feel to it. It's got a nice fight to it there. Well, it's going down. It's got some.
It's got some shoulders to it.
I was going to say it's got some energy too. Oh, it's a beautiful looking fish. It's fast water that he's moving in too, so.
Yeah, he's using it to his best advantage.
Yeah.
Feels heavy. It doesn't look that big, but it feels heavy.
It's a nice looking fish though.
Move in for the kill, buddy.
You got her. Well, that's a nice fish, pal.
Very good.
Beautiful fish.